بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hi everyone. Today I'm talking about the YubiKey 5 NFC, a small physical security key that makes your online accounts much safer. It's made by Yubico and used for strong login protection. You can plug it into a USB-A port on your computer or tap it on a phone with NFC to log in securely. Why it exists? The internet is full of hackers trying to steal passwords. A regular password alone can be guessed or leaked. The YubiKey adds an extra layer of security called two-factor authentication, but much stronger and easier than typing codes from your phone. How it works: when you log in to a website that supports security keys, it will ask for your YubiKey. You simply insert the key into your computer or tap it to your phone, and that confirms it's really you. You don't type complicated codes. Where it's used: you can use it with Google and Microsoft accounts, email and social media, password managers like 1Password or Bitwarden, work accounts and cloud services, many other websites that support security keys. Why you should use it? Using a YubiKey protects you from phishing, password theft, and account takeovers. Even if someone steals your password, they still can't log in without your physical key. Who needs it most? This is especially useful for YouTubers and influencers with important channels, people with valuable email or crypto accounts, anyone who wants strong protection against hacks, businesses and professionals with sensitive data. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.